don't get me wrong. I got what you call Napoleon syndrome. I'm coming in at 5'6" with a couple of hits to make your feet twitch. No, I never shot a gun before, but spitting rhyme makes me feel like I'll be killing them, drilling them, killing them. Within their own brains, they can't contain what they say. Now it's time to bring the pain. I'm living life with the Buddhist approach. Jesus a vodka, lighting up roaches. I'm coming in with intentions to win. My beats and melodies will have you feeling free from sin. Where do we go with this all ends? These are the kind of things I've been thinking in my head. Yeah, be thinking in my head. Yeah.
Irreversible, I'm inconsolable. Words that speak to the fact of where I'm at, I can't stand it. With these all opponents that demand it is what I learned. And I ain't even mad, can't say devastated. Think I just hesitated, probably motivated me. Get the fuck out this town, open my eyes, take a look around, see what little I found. I got no money, no power, no religion, just desire to capture a vision, a fucking empire. Let me reiterate, for the illiterate, I came to burn, maybe worse, dropping bodies with every verse. I'll lead this campaign from the hood of my hearse, make sure you can't say you did.
Years